Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to my channel again. My name is Omaguchi Naldo, and today there's a question we are going to be solving, a mathematical problem. And it's saying that if 10 raised to the power 3x plus 4 is equal to 1000 raised to the power 2x, find x and prove that LHS is equal to RHS, which means left hand side is equal to right hand side. And so this is what we are going to be solving today. And so without wasting much time, we're just going to go ahead and start to see how we can solve the problem. And before we start solving, let's just write solution. So let's bring back the question down, and the question says 10 raised to the power 3x plus 4 equal to 1000 raised to the power 2x. And this is an initial equation from indices. So if you look at it very well, this is equivalent to this same equation is equivalent to this equation. 10 power 3x plus 4 is equal to the same thing as 10 raised to the power 3 open bracket 2x. What this means is that, remember 10 raised to the power 3, as we said in indices, 10 power 3 means 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, 100 times 10 is 1000. So instead of putting the 1000, we replace it with 10 power 3 and then bring back the 2x. All right, let's continue. So if we have this as a question, so we can easily strike out the base, which is the 10, the common base, and we'll be working with the power. So this implies that 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 open bracket 2x. So I think this is settled. So we move to the next step, and we'll have that we open the bracket in the right hand side. So this will be 3x plus 4 to be equal to 3 times 2. We are going to be multiplying what is outside by what is inside the box, inside the bracket. 3 times 2, we have our 6x. So we'll be having that. This implies that, so we are going to be taking like terms, collecting like terms. So if we collect like terms, means that we are bringing all the variables, the number with variables on the left hand side, and taking the number, the integer, to the right hand side. So we'll be having 3x. Remember, our 6 crossing to this side is going to be minus 6x to be equal to 4 is crossing to the other side. We have minus 4. So if that is the case, if we subtract minus 6 from 3, if we subtract 6 from 3, we are going to be having minus 3x to be equal to minus 4. So remember, when we get to this point, we are going to be dividing both sides by minus 3. So if we divide both sides by minus 3, by saying minus 3x divided by minus 3 equal to minus 4 divided by minus 3, we are going to be having this minus 3 cancelling this minus 3, and this minus cancelling this minus. So we'll be having the next answer will be that x to be equal to 4 over 3. So therefore, our answer, the value of our x, is equal to 4 over 3. I think we've succeeded in getting our x. But remember, that's not all. We were asked to prove that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So in order for us to prove that, we're going to be plugging in the value of x into the main equation. So the main equation says that 10 power 3x plus 4 to be equal to, remember we said instead of using 1000, we use 10 raised to the power 3 bracket 2x. So this coming from this that we have seen, and we said this is equivalent to this. So we'll continue. And if this is the case, wherever we see our x, we replace it by 4 over 3, the one that is showing here that we just discovered, 4 over 3, which is the x. So therefore, we are going to be having that 10 raised to the power 3. Remember we said 4 over 3 because we are having x here, plus 4 is going to be giving us 10 raised to the power 3. Let's use a big bracket, 2 bracket, x we said is 4 over 3. Close the bracket, and with a bigger, a square bracket, as it's called in mathematics. So we move to the next step. Remember, if we have this 3 can cancel this 3, so that we'll have our 10 raised to the power 4 plus 4 to be equal to 10 raised to the power, this 3 can also cancel this 3, so that we have 2 bracket 4. So you can see this implies that 10 raised to the power 4 plus 4 is what? 8. So to be equal to 10 raised to the power 2 times 4 is also 8. So if we look at it very well, we discover that this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we've succeeded in proving that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we can write proved on this. So I think this is okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow my page for more videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.